Hey guys, it is me Stace. I'm back again today with another Toddler Tuesday video, and today we are making these adorable pom-pom clothespin caterpillars. Aren't they fun? I love the googly eyes. Super easy to make. So the first thing you will need is a clothespin. You can pick up all these supplies at the dollar store. You'll need some pom-poms. I have those here. About a half of a pipe cleaner and some googly eyes. I have those over here as well. Let's grab two of those. And lastly, we need some glue. And I'm just using the Aleene's tacky glue. The first thing I'm going to do is take my pipe cleaner, and I just cut one in half, open the clothespin up, and then just kind of twist it around the top. Just like that. Okay, give it a good twist. Now open that up, take our glue. We're going to put the glue on the top. If you want to, you can use hot glue. Hot glue does dry quicker. But this works fine. All right, now take your pom-poms and just plop them on there. Give them a good squish in that glue. And this glue will dry clear. They can make them be a pattern. They can make all the caterpillars or bugs be different shapes of different size pom-poms. All right, let's grab another one. Let's grab a yellow one here for our last one. So we're just giving all of them a little squish, trying to straighten them out further on top of the clothespin. Okay, let's look at it from the front. Fix the antenna a little bit. And lastly, we're going to put some googly eyes on. And I find it easier to take my glue and make a little puddle. And then take my tweezers and a googly eye, dip it in the glue, and then place it on the front. They can give these to mom and dad. They can be used to hold papers on their desk to keep things organized. You can also put a magnet on the back, and they can be for the fridge. Isn't that fun and so easy? Look how cute he is. I tell you, anything with googly eyes is adorable. Here's that one there. All right, guys, there you have a super easy Toddler Tuesday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.